Hi guys, and welcome back to the Auto Trader Garage. You've just been away on your annual holiday road trip. You've come home only to discover that you have a tire that is now going flat all the time. So you get the wheel off the car, do an inspection, only to discover this. Yep, it's a puncture. In our case, a screw. Now, this could be a nail, a piece of glass, gravel, even a piece of wood. But it is the 7th week of January, and well, money is a bit tight. So what do? You can't replace the tire right now. Well, you nip down to your local automotive parts store and pick yourself up a tire repair kit. And that consists of the following. You will get an awl, a needle, and these fibrous sticky plugs. I'm going to fix the hole, and we're going to show you how to do it. Right, so let's get started. The first thing you want to do is prepare your plug and the needle. Get it set up so that there is a tail on either end and you're ready to go. Then you need a pair of side cutters because you're going to need to remove that offending puncture causing screw. So get in there. As you can see, it's already leaking. You grab the awl, clean out that hole. Make sure it's nice and clean because, well, that plug needs something to grip onto. Remove the awl, and then you're going to need quite a bit of force to push that plug in. Once you've got the plug into the tire, you can extract the needle, and that leaves the plug behind. You can then grab a sharp blade and gently trim off the excess. It's very important to remember not to push all the way through. Well, there you have it, folks. The tire is now repaired and you are pretty much ready to go. It is very important though to remember that this is just a temporary fix and you will have to have the tire repaired properly from the inside, or at least replace the tire at your earliest convenience. Now, another very, very important thing to remember is that this repair is for the surface of the tire only. If you get a puncture on the shoulder of the tire, that's this area here, or on the sidewall, this repair will not work and should not be done. Well, that's it, folks. The quick and easy tire repair. Catch you next time in the garage.